I'm Alvin Wayne, and today we're going to make the perfect cocktail to get you through the summer. Hennessy Margarita. Now we know we all love a good Hennessy, but I'm going to show you how to make a great Hennessy Margarita. So to get started, the ingredients that you would need, of course, Hennessy. You don't want to get the flavor Hennessy, you don't want to get the apple or cherry or whatever kind of Hennessy out there. You want to get the regular Hennessy. Then you also want to get the Cuervo Margarita mix. You can really get any kind, but today we're going to use the orange pineapple margarita mix, and it's already ready to drink. So you get thirsty before you finish the drink, go ahead and drink. Then we're going to use Peach Schnapps, however you say it, we don't use that. And that's it. So let's get mixing. All right, so today we're going to make the serving for 2 people. So what we're going to do, we're going to do 2 cups of the margarita mix. Then we're going to do 2 shots or a double shot of the Hennessy, and then we're going to do 1 shot of the Peach Schnapps. So let's get to mixing. Okay, so we have our 2 cups of the margarita mix, and then we're going to do a double shot of Hennessy. Fill that up to the top. That's your double shot. And then we are going to do 1 shot of the Peach Schnapps. Now you can use your mixer. I could not get this off, as you can see, so we're gonna mix it the old-fashioned way. So we're gonna do a single shot of your Peach Schnapps. So you're gonna turn this upside down. Pour that in there. And then, it's a whole situation over here because I'm ready to drink. And now you're gonna mix it. So you can even do a taste test, but I'm not. But I am. Oh, it's good. I promise y'all, I'm not drunk already. It's so good. All right, so now that everything is mixed, I have, because you know I'm extra, so I have gold straw. The link to everything will be below in the description. So you want to get some ice cubes. Just a few. Then you gotta pour over the rub. Serve it to your guests. Now you can also add some lime, like a lime slice. You could do a salt rim, you can do a sugar rim, whatever you prefer. But yeah, today we just gonna drink. So, cheers. That's good. Okay, and as you can see, that this mixture, it makes exactly 2 cocktails. Now, if you're hosting a party, or you're hosting a gathering of friends, and you know, we all know it's COVID going on, and all that other crazy stuff in the world. But they actually sell these bottles on Amazon, and of course the link will be in the bottom of the video. You can actually pre-make these. You can bottle them up. You can put labels on them. You can write people's names, whatever you want to say, and serve them to your guests or pass them out. Give them out as party gifts, whatever. But it's super easy, super fun, super cute, and you can do it either way. So that is our Hennessy Margarita. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed it, please remember to like, subscribe, share, comment below. Let me know what you guys think about the video. Let me know when you make the cocktail, because it is super easy. If I can do it, you can do it. So, cheers. Until next time.